Hey folks, radar was busy this afternoon and this evening, but it's all gone quiet now. The rain has moved out of the area and probably won't be back with the exception of maybe an isolated shower tomorrow. Here's your Doppler estimated rainfall totals. This is a 12-hour total, so it goes back to about 10 o'clock this morning, which is about the time the rain started. And you can see the heaviest stuff certainly up in northern Hidalgo County. In fact, this is the area where there was a flood advisory out for about an hour and a half this evening. And right in the middle of that, Doppler suggests about almost 1.5 inches of rain fell. Closer to San Manuel, about 3/4 of an inch, something like that as you get out in the northwestern part of the county as well. Some places out northwest of Edinburg picking up close to an inch. And then you get into town and very spotty, like Edinburg out on the west side out by the university, and beyond that 7/10 of an inch. East side close to a half an inch. You see other totals south of the expressway, but then there's this bare spot right down the middle. There was nothing, and then parts of the mid-valley getting close to half an inch. We didn't get a half an inch here. We had less than 1/10, but here are ground truth, if you will. Far Central, Charlie Garcia had 6/10 of an inch of rain today in Central Far. Israel Galindo had 3/10. McAllen Airport had 8/100ths, and here at our studios 0.04. That's our first rain since September the 9th here at our studios. We're up to 2.9 for the month, 13.22 for the year. We're about 5 inches behind, which is why we're in that severe drought in the area. Future Track says tonight it stays quiet as well, and tomorrow no drought help either. There could be an isolated shower, but isolated is the key word. There won't be a whole lot around, and Sunday probably even less. We don't expect much Sunday at all. If you take a peek at the 7-day rainfall chances, we're at 10% tomorrow, dry until Wednesday. Late Wednesday into Thursday, the chance of rain comes back with spotty showers, even a thunderstorm sneaking back into the forecast by then. Temperature-wise, the stations that are reporting in the western part of the valley all in the low 80s tonight. Tomorrow's highs are going to be back in the 90s again, with the exception of the island, about 89 at South Padre. The next few days, the normal is 91, and we'll stay above that until probably the end of next week. A little extra rain chance gives us a slightly cooler day on Friday. Texas tonight, pretty quiet. There's a little trough sitting just offshore. That's what helped trigger the showers last night and again today. But tomorrow and Sunday, I think we're mainly dry. We just don't see enough moisture around for anything to happen then. But notice by the time we get to the middle of next week, we start to see stuff fire up out in the watershed to the west of us, and maybe a few showers here Thursday and Friday as well. Where that front stops is still a guess. Looks like, though, it could be awfully close, maybe close enough to help trigger some showers late next week. This is Doppler estimated predicted rainfall over the next couple of days. And notice it showed a lot of rain out in the watershed, so maybe some help out in the western part of the valley and westward from there. Tonight, then, the showers are gone, 78 for a low. Tomorrow, back up to 96, partly sunny skies. Should be a mainly dry day. If there's a shower, there'll be one, and it'll be quick, and it'll be gone. Sunday and Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday all look partly to mostly sunny and dry. And then the end of next week, Thursday and Friday, showers show up in the forecast once again. That's your updated First 1 5 forecast. We'll be back right after this.